Well, here's the line. There's that Funko store right there. Never really been into Funkos or anything, but kind of a long line. But I'm gonna wait in this thing and see if I can talk to Larry Thomas and get that thing signed. So hopefully this works out. But it's hot. My turn? Okay. What's up? How's it going? Is it okay if I record?
Yeah.
Okay. How's it going, Larry? You still
Good.
this for anybody? There you go.
Oh, that's a great shirt.
Thank you.
Love it.
I heard that the Soup Nazi, they were tossing it back and forth and being more of a, he was maybe too mean or something like that.
It was in the audition. Jerry wanted me to do the audition again and play him a little nicer.
Okay.
But he didn't laugh at all the second time, so then when we got on the set, he just said, do it like you did when you came in. Yeah. Didn't seem to me that he would be anything but mean if that was what they were calling him, you know what I mean?
Soup Nazi, what do you think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
So,
played it right.
thank you.
Jared trusted you.
Thank
Well,
you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Well, that was pretty cool. Just got to meet Yev Kassem. Larry Thomas, pretty cool guy. Got his signature here on this Funko Pop doll. First Funko Pop doll I've ever bought, but it's kind of cool. Well, I'm going to check out this Funko store here, and I'll show you around. It's kind of cool. I'm not really into the Funko stuff. I kind of don't get it, but since I'm here, we'll check it out and see it, because it's a pretty cool store. So let's do it. Alright, well, got to start in the Star Wars section. Got some droids here. That's kind of cool. Oh, this guy, these little guys. This is pretty cool. Check this out. They got the speeder with two big-headed stormtroopers. R2 and C-3PO are here. This R2's cool. I like the shape of his head. That's pretty sweet. Got Jurassic Park here with a sexy Jeff. They've got all these guys. And Batwoman and Harley Quinn, but for some reason they don't have the big Funko heads. This is a cool store, but I don't get it. I don't get the allure of these Funko dolls. Sorry. Well, that's it. Back in the car now. Sorry, that was great meeting Larry Thomas. That was cool. He was awesome. Should have got a picture with him. Totally forgot to do that. It felt like he was busy, but I always get nervous meeting people like that. I feel like it's kind of weird. Like they're just getting paid to meet me. It's a weird feeling. So I don't know if I love it, but it's cool to meet him. Got his autograph. Got this thing here. You can see it. Put the no soup for you. Did all that kind of stuff. Signed it. So that's pretty cool. I just don't get Funko. I've never gotten it. It's just they just take other pop culture things and turn them into dolls with big heads, and you just put them on your wall or put them on a shelf. Sorry, I don't get it. That store was cool, but it just wasn't something I was interested in. I didn't feel like I fit in there. I feel like everyone could tell that I was kind of like unimpressed or just not getting it. I don't know. Maybe if you can explain to me what's so great about the Funko dolls, I'm willing to listen. I have one now, so I was given a Steve Irwin one before, but I don't totally get it. But whatever. That was a kind of fun experience. The line was really long and it was hot. It was okay. Probably wouldn't do it again, but it's done. I did it. We're here. That's it. Goodbye. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Probably not very good.